Cheetahs are such beautiful animals. Sunset from the Big Island, Hawaii. Dunbriste Seastack, County Mayo, Ireland. Ginzan Onsen in Japan. Hidden Falls in Grand Teton National Park, Wyoming. I saw this flower today. To my surprise, my first attempt at a photo turned out quite well. This is the Pina River. In the evening everything becomes quiet and beautiful. Bristlecone pine. Goa, India. Clark Reservation, NY. Night glow, at the Great Prosser Balloon Festival. Beautiful Beverly Brook in Richmond Park. A fiery sunrise taken at the Rhino Rock in Iceland a few days ago. Sunrise and sunset in the Grampians, Australia. Gatineau Park, Quebec, OC. The silky water of Panther Creek Fall. Lingyan Temple, Hangzhou, China. Fire Amsterdam from a Ferris wheel. Wrapped up Arc de Triomphe at sunset, OC. Dreamy morning at Abiqua Falls in Oregon. Proud of this one. Sunset on the Ottawa River. Sky mirror at Mount Rainier National Park. St. Martin's Island. Snowy peaks of the Grand Canyon. Utah Lake at sunset. Sometimes Utah isn't too bad. Idaho Springs, CO. Off-road camping, Sequoia National Forest, CA. This succulent garden. Starved Rock, Oglesby-Ill. A most beautiful, calm fall day looking out over Wabamoon Lake. This olive branch in the Marche, Italy. Front Beach, Rockport, Massachusetts. OC. The view from Ivinghoe Beacon looking towards Pitstone Windmill at sunset. UK. Good morning. Sunrise in Bermuda. One fine evening walking up a beach on the Coromandel Peninsula, New Zealand.